Scientists build artificial neurons that function like real brain cells. Bacteria-grown protein nanowires enable ultra-efficient, low-voltage artificial neurons that can directly interface with living systems. Engineers at the University of Massachusetts Amherst have created artificial neurons that mimic the electrical behavior of biological brain cells, but with unprecedented energy efficiency. By harnessing protein nanowires grown by electricity-producing bacteria, the team has built synthetic neurons that operate at voltages similar to those found in the human brain. This breakthrough could transform how computers process information and how electronic devices interact with living tissues. If you like my content and want to listen to more interesting science stories like this, then subscribe my channel. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Mimicking nature's efficiency. The human brain is a masterclass in energy-efficient computation. It processes vast amounts of information using only around 20 watts of power, about the energy needed to power a dim light bulb. In contrast, artificial intelligence models, such as large language models, can consume over a megawatt to perform comparable tasks. A key factor behind the brain's efficiency is the way its billions of neurons transmit electrical signals at very low voltages. Until now, artificial neurons have struggled to match these biological parameters. Previous designs typically required 10 times more voltage and up to 100 times more power, making them both inefficient and incompatible with real biological neurons, which are sensitive to stronger signals. The new UMass design overcomes this limitation. Our artificial neurons register only 0.1 volts, which is about the same as neurons in our bodies, explains Jun Yao, Associate Professor of Electrical and Computer Engineering and senior author of the study published in Nature Communications. The power of protein nanowires. The team's innovation relies on protein nanowires produced by the bacterium Geobacter sulfur-reducens. These nanowires possess unique conductive properties, allowing the researchers to engineer neurons that operate at biologically relevant voltages without sacrificing functionality. Lead author Shuai Fu, a graduate student in electrical and computer engineering, notes this: "Our brain processes an enormous amount of data with very little power. By incorporating bacterial protein nanowires, we can replicate this low-energy operation in artificial systems." Yao and colleagues have previously used these protein nanowires to create a range of energy harvesting and sensing technologies, including biofilms that generate electricity from sweat, an electronic nose capable of detecting disease biomarkers, and devices that harvest electricity directly from ambient air. Incorporating the same nanowires into artificial neurons adds a powerful new tool to this growing bioelectronic toolkit. Biology and technology. Reducing artificial neuron voltages opens up a host of new applications. One of the most promising is direct communication between electronics and living tissue. Conventional wearable sensors require amplification to translate weak biological signals into a form computers can process, adding complexity and increasing power consumption. With our low-voltage neurons, that intermediate amplification step is no longer necessary. Sensors could directly interpret the body's electrical signals, leading to far more efficient and compact devices. This capability could lead to next-generation bio-inspired computers, wearable medical devices, and energy harvesting systems that run without traditional power sources, perhaps drawing energy from sweat or even ambient moisture in the air. Towards bio-inspired computing. The development of low-power artificial neurons marks a significant advance toward computing architectures that more closely resemble the human brain. By integrating living-inspired materials with electronic circuits, researchers are moving closer to technologies that combine the efficiency of biological systems with the versatility of modern computers.